This 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, microwave, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,921 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.